What in the fuck are those? Oh my god. I guess I've never looked up before. This guy's been going bonkers. I was just installing some lights. And,
30 seconds.
yeah. Oh. That explains why I was hearing so many noises all the time. I didn't know what was going on half the time. I wasn't gonna start back this early because I was gonna do some farming and then I had to turn on the recording because holy hell. What the hell? Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, evasive. Ah!